beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited about today's video. I'm talking about makeup and that makes me happy and excited always. So today I'm going to talk about lip and cheek tints from Eva Cosmetics. So I'm really excited about these lip and cheek tints from Eva Cosmetics. I've given them a try. I even use them for my eyes so that you can, when you want to go for like a monochromatic look and on the go you want to get ready quickly, will they crease or not? So I just wanted to try them on my eyes as well, and I did, and I was so happy about it. I even, like, when I was testing them out, I even posted on my Instagram stories about these. So I really did enjoy using these. So I'm here to talk to you guys about how I feel about them, how to use lip and cheek tints. Also, I'll take you through the process. 4 of these, and I'm going to take you through all the shades and everything. What I also like to do is mix and match 2 shades at the back of my hand and then get a custom color. And I mean, why not? So these retail for $4.99 each, and they have some amazing ingredients in them. So let me take you through all the 4 colors that I have. I'm going to swatch them on my hands and then I'm going to show you how I use them on my face. So here are the different colors. So rose hip that hydrates, heals and reduces discoloration. They also have apricot kernel oil that brightens and plumps, non-toxic mineral colors which are safe and vegan. I'm going to pick Timeless Mocha for the demo by applying this generously. And of course, if you're using your fingers, just use your fingers. Immediately how there's a nice healthy glow on the face. Sure to smooth out the edges whenever you are applying any lip or any tint kind of a product. I'm going to take some of it for my lips as well. I'm going to take some for the eyes as well. I'm just going to dab it all over my lid. So everything looks nice and blended and pulled together. That's that. See? So for this look, I've used Timeless Mocha. As I mentioned, you can always mix and match and create your custom colors. So I'm just going to use some sheer peach and I'm going to mix it with my mocha shade here to create a nice custom color. Oh my god, this is looking extremely pretty, you guys. That just is very, very lightweight, and I love the feel of it, and it's like non-sticky also. You can see it's not sticky. Taking the same, applying a sheer peach on top. So these are the 4 colors. You can see them. They're all very, very beautiful and all very different from each other as well. Okay. The first color we have here is Timeless Mocha. The second color is All Time Pink. And the third color here is Sheer Peach. The fourth color is Forever Nude. I mean, I don't think I can decide which color I like more. They're all so pretty, and you can always mix and match the colors to get a beautiful custom color for yourself. I hope you can see how flushed and healthy the skin looks, and it's very easy to get like a monochromatic look out of these products. And they are pigmented as well. They're not like they're very lightly pigmented that the color won't show up or anything like that. You can build up the color, or if you use them sparingly, you can get a very just like a sheer wash of color. It's all up to you. I absolutely love all the colors. They're all so beautiful. I even tried them on my eyes and I thoroughly enjoyed them. These retail for $4.99 each. There will be a purchase link in the description box. They're available at multiple places. Do check them out and do give them a try. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you have any queries regarding these products, please feel free to write them in the comments below. I'll get back to you and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.